Guys, we are still crushing it in e-estate. For those that are already in e-estate, you will know this. Okay, withdrawals has never failed, deposit has never failed. All operations are happening as it is supposed to be happening, all right, as expected. So this is one of the reasons why everybody in e-estate are continuing to crush everything that is happening in e-estate right now, especially big top leaders that are out there, right, trying to get people to understand what a fractional real estate means and what tokenization means, really. So let me show you very quick examples here. So this is the back office of my landing page. As you can see right now, I have closed a deal of up to 226 deals, and I have generated agent sales just over $73,000. And it's not just me, other members are still generating even way higher than what you are looking at just now. For example, our top agent leader right now, she has topped up to 5.4 million in agent sales already and over 700 deals closed. So we are continuing to be crushing it in e-estate. For those of us that manage to become an agent, it's not everybody that is able to get agent sales if you are not an agent. So you need to become an agent first before you will begin to get agent sales. But if you don't want to be an agent, you will still be able to crush it by your purchases, okay, by your fractional purchases of any real estate that is in the back office. So that being said, let me show you one more. This is one of the strategic partner of e-estate as well. He has made over 1 million agent sales and closed over 600 deals as well, and currently on agent level 8, which is great. The previous leader is currently on agent level 13, and there are more. Okay, in fact, somebody in e-estate has made up to agent level 14 as we speak. So this to me is what we are crushing in e-estate. And guess what? This is not just the good news that we have today. The second good news that we have today is this one. Okay, they are currently doing a promo whereby you will be able to get one property, okay, purchased, and then they will give you the equivalent qualifying property bonus for free, right? So on my left hand side here, you will notice that they have 3 properties: business development, and the desert villa. If you purchase either of these, you will get the corresponding bonuses on my right hand side here. So for example, if you do the business development, they will give you the land plot for free. Okay, that is the bonus you will get. And then if you do the development, you will get the sunset villa for free. If you do the desert villa, which I know it is about $1,000 to get the desert villa, you will get the lake house for free, right? So this to me is what we are crushing in e-estate. And for those of you that are not in e-estate yet, you are already missing out. So I am using this medium to recommend that you should look at e-estate once again if you have not looked at it before. Okay, even though you've been hearing about e-estate, but you've not actually taken your time to look at what we are doing here, I seriously recommend you do that. Okay, there is a video showing how to register, how to complete your KYC, and how to deposit and purchase your fractional real estate in e-estate. All the videos are below this video description. And also, not just the step-by-step videos, I still have my own presentation video that I have left the link as well below this video description. So if you want to know everything about e-estate, please go and watch that my presentation video for you to learn more about e-estate and join us and start crushing it just like every other person in E-Estate. So guys, the link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you. Remember, we have Zoom every day in E-Estate, Mondays to Sundays. Every single day there is Zoom happening in E-Estate, where you can join and learn more about E-Estate and meet the leaders that are actually, presenting the opportunity to you guys. Okay, so once more, the link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. God bless and stay safe.